Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on Google Maps. Sometimes you may want to protect your privacy or limit who can see your current or shared location on Google Maps. Whether you're using a phone or desktop, here's how to hide your location effectively. The first option is to stop sharing your location. Now on Android or iPhone, open Google Maps and tap on your profile picture, then go to location sharing and select the contacts you're sharing with and tap stop or choose a shorter time duration. Now for desktop, you're gonna go to your web browser and then go to Google Maps. After that, tap on your profile picture right here or tap on the three horizontal lines and go for location sharing example and click on manage sharing. And as you can see, you can change it here. As you can see, it says that you aren't sharing your real-time location with anyone on Google, so it doesn't share anything. Let's go back here. Now the second option is to disable location access for Google Maps. Now on Android, go to settings, then go to apps, then Google Maps permissions and disable location access. And on iPhone, you can go to settings, then select privacy and go to location services and then go to Google Maps and set to never or while using. As for the third option, is to turn off location history, and you can visit myactivity.google.com. Let's see here, my activity. Here, open this website and make sure you log in using account credentials. And after you log in, go to activity control and under location history, toggle it off. For extra privacy, use incognito mode in Google Maps to stop tracking temporarily and clear your timeline and history for extra privacy. And regularly review your Google account settings for location related data. Hiding your location on Google Maps helps you maintain control over your personal data and privacy. Whether you're stopping location sharing or completely disabling tracking, you have full control with just a few taps.